Hello, learners. Welcome to this topic 1, module 1, states of matter. You are highly welcome, and I hope you are going to enjoy the lesson. Our learning objectives will be, by the end of the session, you're supposed to be able to define matter, identify states of matter, describe states of matter, observe states of matter, explain states of matter, distinguish between mass and volume, and finally identify everyday materials. So in our first subtopic, we are going to define matter as matter is anything that takes up space and can be weighed. In other words, matter has volume and mass. There are 3 states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. In solids, the particles are tightly packed together. In liquids, the particles have more movement, while in gases, the particles spread out. Dear learners, particles in chemistry can be atoms, ions, or molecules. This is an infographic diagram showing different states of matter. We have solid state, liquid state, gaseous state, and plasma state. So dear learners, take note of that. We have different types of states of matter: solid matter, liquid matter, gaseous matter, and plasma matter. The following are diagrams of different states of matter. We have the structures of gas, structure of solids, and structure of liquids. Dear learners, let's look at the characteristics of different states of matter. Let's start by looking at the characteristics of solid states. In solid states, the particles are tightly or closely packed. 2. The gaps between the particles are tiny, and hence it is tough to compress them. 3. Solid has a fixed shape and volume. 4. Due to the rigid nature of solid, the particles in solid can only vibrate about their mean position and cannot move. 5. The force of attraction between particles is adamant. 5. The rate of diffusion in solid is very low. In liquid state, the following are characteristics. Particles are less tightly packed as compared to solids. Liquids take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Dear learners, liquids are difficult to compress as particles have less space between them together to move. Liquids have fixed volume but no fixed shape. The rate of diffusion in liquids is higher than that of solids. Force of attraction between the particles is weaker than solids. 3. Characteristics of gases. 1. In gases, the particles are far apart from each other. 2. The force of attraction between particles is negligible and they can move freely. 3. Gases have neither fixed volume nor fixed shape. 4. The gaseous state has the highest compressibility as compared to solids and liquids. The rate of diffusion is higher in solids and liquids. The kinetic energy of particles is higher than in solids and liquids. Hello learners, we are going to look at the differences between mass and volume. Now, what is a mass? A mass is a measure of amount of matter in an object. Mass is often measured in units like pounds or kilograms. Mass is a constant property of an object, and any object will always have some mass. Volume is a measure of the amount of space an object occupies. Volume is measured in cubic units like cubic centimeter or cubic meter. Volume is geometric value of an object, and it can change depending on the state of the object. Dear learners, the following are examples of solids, liquid, and gaseous materials in our everyday life. In solid state, the following are examples: ice, brick, wood, iron. Dear learners, the following are examples of solid materials: ice, brick, wood, and iron. Liquids, we have petrol, vinegar, paint, water. Gases, we have helium, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. Hello learners, I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Let me take this opportunity to thank you for taking your time to listen and go through this topic, states of matter. Thank you.